I have heard that stress does contribute to your body weight. I don't know how much of it will I be able to corroborate, but I think you will have a better answer to it.
You are 100%. It disrupts your digestive system. It disrupts your mood to do something positive. Even though you are trying your best to do, you're like you're fighting against your system.
What should be the ideal diet for a person who is an office goer? And should intermittent fasting be included in his or her lifestyle to lose weight? How much of an impact does intermittent fasting have?
Okay. So first things again, आपने जो पूछा कि what kind of diet that this person should have. Here, if I was his coach, I would simply ask him, what kind of diet does he follow currently? Right? कुछ ज़्यादा हेर-फेर नहीं करना है. All I need to do is just quantify whatever he already has.
And make adjustments.
Adjustments to his current pattern. Because first, उसका जो current pattern है, वो already उस छाचे में पड़ चुका है. उसको ज़्यादा कुछ change नहीं करना है उसमें. All I need to do is to make sure whatever he likes having on a daily basis, he's having it in the right quantity.
Okay.
Okay? And if there is something that is missing from his, or any nutritional fact that is missing from his, which in most cases is the protein part, so all I need to do is just add it.
So the
So
additions and
if,
subtractions
example,
can
if somebody,
happen.
if he is having say 3 meals a day or 4 meals a day, I'm not going to make adjustments to that because उसका वो आदत है. I don't want to mess around with that. What I want to do mess around with is the quantity that he's consuming, because that's the reason he's messing up.
Break it down.
Break it down to the quantifiable end of the whole thing, because once that is done, we know exactly how much of the whole process or the whole calories this person is having, and then make adjustments to that.
Now, since the person is an office goer and he has a date, okay?
Again, he has a date.
let's
The most
take
important
that.
part, he has
Let's
a
take
date.
that person.
और वो
as-
डेट पीछे नहीं करेगा.
Let's हाँ वो नहीं कर रहा.
और जी,
तो
बाप रे
उसको हम लोग अभी कॉन्वर्सेशन में रखते हैं. उसको स्ट्रेस भी है लाइफ में. उसका मैनेजर भी बहुत ही वाहियात है. उसके पीछे पड़ा रहता है.
उसको डेट पीछे करना ही होगा.
उसको डेट पीछे करना पड़ेगा. उसको बहुत that person is undergoing a lot of stress, and I have heard that stress does contribute to your body weight. I don't know how much of it will I be able to corroborate, but I think you will have a better answer to it.
You are 100% right on this part, that stress definitely plays a huge role in our weight parameters. And as to, like, there are certain clients of mine, say for example, their body has been responding fabulously for a XYZ calories with a XYZ macro split, मतलब protein, fat and carb split, or certain calories के अंदर their body has been responding fabulously, but suddenly something changed in their life. Something drastic happened, maybe at work, maybe at personal level, right? Maybe say a life-changing event, like say some death in the family or something.
Yeah, so I'll just
And
interrupt you
that's-
once. जब
yes.
लाइफ चेंजिंग इवेंट की आप जब बात कर रहे हो, is it that कोई ट्रेजेडी हो जाती है और भूख नहीं लगती? Does that also impact?
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now,
So stress definitely plays a role in all these things. It disrupts your digestive system. It disrupts your mood to do something positive. And in that whole role, everything, even though you are trying your best to do, you're like you're fighting against your system. ठीक है? तो एक चीज आपको ऐसे डाउनहिल खींच रहा है और आप ऊपर भागने का कोशिश कर रहे हो, राइट? तो उस टाइम में द प्रोग्रेस एंड द होल मूवमेंट स्लोज डाउन, नॉट जस्ट फॉर, इट विल नॉट जस्ट फॉर बी फॉर द गाय हु हैज अ डेट, बट इट विल बी फॉर अनफॉर्चुनेटली फॉर एवरीबडी.
okay.
So stress definitely plays a role.
Okay. Moving forward to the concept. Now let's leave that guy alone. I think
let's
we
leave him
have
alone.
had enough discussions about it.
I'm sure he'll figure it out.
He'll figure it out himself.
He'll figure it out.
Now the point is, what is the difference between a gym coach and a lifestyle coach? Like when I go to a gym coach, what do I expect to hear? And when I go to a lifestyle coach, aim is fat loss. This conversation that we are having, everybody wants to know fat loss.
Correct.
ठीक है? Alsi Indian पे people are
Fat
here
loss.
alsi. So fat loss.
Fat loss is the prime
Yeah.
prime
तो
question.
वो जिम कोच के पास जाए पहले या लाइफस्टाइल कोच के पास जाए? And what is the difference between the two?
Okay, now here it's very unfortunate that you have this question, first of all, okay? It's very unfortunate. Why? Because in both of them, you have a suffix which is coach,
Okay.
right? Unfortunately, a coach shouldn't have. I think I know what you're trying to say. Answer me first of all. I'm going to
Yeah,
follow
please.
up with a question. So when you're saying gym coach versus a lifestyle coach, I think you are having an understanding that there should be some sort of a difference in the service that they provide,
Yeah.
right? And in the depth of service that they provide.
Yeah.
Right? Now that is where the thing comes into play. A coach is a coach, right? वो जिम में हो या फिर the term that lifestyle coach has come into the play. In either format, a coach should be taking care of every aspect of your life.
Okay.
Like me as a coach, what I try to provide is far more that I can write down in my service list. So say I would write down customized training plan, customized diet plan, 24/7 access on this, that, blah, 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 right? But for certain clients, just hearing them out of what they're going through in their life and what I would do to overcome that, my recommendations. Where are they falling short in this case scenario? And how it is not something that matters to them or shouldn't be mattering to them in the larger perspective, right? It is not just about training or not just about diet. Because मैं आपको plan दे दिया. Now life will throw challenges at you. If me as a coach cannot provide you with the right tools to handle the stress, then my plan will not get followed. And if you don't follow my plan is of no value.
घोड़े को तालाब तक लेके जा सकते हो, पानी
एकदम।
पीना उसका काम है.
एकदम बात वही है, बट तालाब तक लेके जाना भी एक काम होता है कोच का.
हाँ.
And that is where there shouldn't be a differentiation that gym coach and lifestyle coach. A coach is a coach. उसका काम है घोड़े को तालाब तक लेके जाना. तो वो जिम तक खाली जिम में है तो उसका खाली काम जिम तक है.
मसल बनाना
जिम के
नहीं है.
बाहर उसका कोई काम नहीं है. That is where I think that is where the question comes into the play.
Yeah.
Because in most cases, if somebody has hired a personal trainer in the gym, the services are only limited to the gym. उसके बाद even the coaches maybe end up ignoring और वो उस लेवल का सर्विस बाहर में नहीं देता है. But I think that is where he or she should be maybe limited to the term gym trainer, and that coach word shouldn't be added to there. Because
Okay.
when you say coach, it's much more than just a trainer. I'm here for you, for everything that you've got.
It can be life altering.
It can be everything.
Okay.
So because for you to follow the plan, you'll have to handle the life properly. I have to assist you with everything that I can to handle that. That is the bottom line.
Now coming to a very basic question that many people will be having. Is quitting sugar a fad?
It is.
It is.
Sugar
body को चाहिए.
Correct.
So do you suggest to your the people that come to you and they want to lose weight or they want to look really like muscular?
They get better in their overall health and fitness aspect.
Yeah. So sugar is also a source of energy.
Correct.
In a way. So it should be. So it has become a fad. Like, you become the different person in a party when you say that, no, I don't consume sugar. Okay, I have seen that. So there is somebody who is not fit at all. I can beat him in a race. But that guy comes up, he's had a bloody biryani, which has enough sugar and carbs in it. And after that, he's having black tea without sugar. So that is because you want to look different at a party? Or you want people to ask you, yaar, kya baat hai, sugar choda kya baat hai?
So let me put it this way. So I understand this, the thing that you're saying कि मैं sugar नहीं लेता हूँ वगैरह, right? So in most cases they mean the refined sugar or the processed sugar that we're talking about.
Right.
And they completely bypass the fact that the glucose that is coming, the sugar that is coming from other sources of food that they're consuming. That can be rice, fruit, bread, anything that is a glucose source or carbohydrate source. Because at the end of the day, carbohydrate is broken down in your body as glucose. And it is and mind it, it's not bad. Unfortunately, people like put this thing that carbs are like enemy because they are glucose and glucose is sugar.
Right.
So वो खराब है and उसको avoid करना चाहिए. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Glucose is the most ready source of energy that your body has. Because what glucose आपके body में carbs से या किसी भी source से आता है आपके body में, it converts into something called an ATP.
So what is an ATP?
ATP, फिर से technical question. ATP is nothing but it's called adenosine triphosphate.
Okay.
So that is the energy currency of your body.
Okay.
Okay. So आप जब every form that you are using energy, you are basically using your ATP.
Okay.
Okay. So ATP बार बार कन्वर्ट होता है फ्रॉम ग्लूकोज, आप यूज करते हो, वो फिर से कन्वर्ट होता है, फिर आप यूज कर रहे हो. कांस्टेंट एक प्रोसेस है जो चलते रहता है. बस यहीं तक रहने देते हैं, ज्यादा
Yes, क्योंकि मुझे तो ATP टूर पता है टेनिस का. उसके आगे मुझे मालूम नहीं है.
ये आपके बॉडी का टूर हो गया.
ये मेरा बॉडी का टूर है.
बॉडी का टूर हो गया. सो दैट इज द प्रोसेस दैट इट फॉलोज.
Right.
अभी ग्लूकोज इज सच एन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग एंड इन इस केस में शुगर जो एस्पेक्ट है, why I would also suggest people to kind of reduce on that is because you don't want your maximum source of glucose to come from something that is processed. You want it from something that you eat on a, जैसे आपको चीनी लेके आपका पेट भरेगा नहीं भरेगा
नहीं.
बट अगर आप एक रोटी प्रॉपरली खाओगे तब आपका पेट भरेगा, राइट? सो व्हाई डोंट यू allocate the maximum amount of glucose that you can have from whole food sources? If you reduce it from your usual pattern of consuming, say sugary food, वो sweets हो गए वगैरह हो गए कुछ भी हो गए, if you reduce it from there, you can eat more here. So
Right.
that's the only way I would put it. It's not like sugar in general is bad.
So
But
basically
if you
you are
allocate
saying
more to
Yeah.
these processed side, आपका whole food से कम automatically हो जाएगा. Or if you consuming similar amount from your whole food, then you will be overdoing it.
Yeah. So I have a quick fire round for you.
चलिए करते हैं.
ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ मजे करते हैं थोड़े.
चलिए.
ठीक है, आप बताना
पहले
दुनिया
पानी
को.
पी लेते हैं,
हाँ,
quick
पानी
fire
पी लो
है.
प्लीज. पानी में फैट होता है क्या?
यही
हाँ,
उसको यही
हाँ.
दिस इज अ फैबुलस आंसर आई हैव फॉर द
हाँ.
डेट गाय.
डेट गए
उसको 4 हफ्ते ये बस पीने बोलो,
और कुछ नहीं.
बस आ जाएगा वो.
सही. पानी पी लिया आपने?
हाँ जी, डन.
तो
चलिए.
पानी में देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वाटर. अल्कलाइन वाटर है, ब्लैक वाटर भी आ गया है. तो करना क्या है? पीना कौन सा पानी है?
भाई जो हम लोग के साथ में है, जो हमेशा से पीते आए, बस वही पीना है. अभी यहाँ पे लॉजिक क्या होता है ना, जैसे अल्कलाइन हो गया, ये सारे वाटर का एक द प्राइमरी थिंग दैट दे ट्राई टू से इज कि इट मेंटेन्स द बॉडीज pH लेवल. तो बॉडी इज लाइक यू से वो एसिडिटी बेस एंड देन बीच में न्यूट्रल, राइट? सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आवर बॉडी इन इटसेल्फ इज एन एक्सीलेंट रेगुलेटर. अभी बॉडी का क्या है ना, pH लेवल अगर 0.1 अगर इधर से उधर होता है, वी विल डाई. दैट इज हाउ क्रिटिकल pH लेवल इज. डू यू थिंक द बॉडी वेट्स फॉर यू टू हैव alkaline water to make it alkaline? It does not.
Okay.
It has its own system to do that. Again, this is where marketing gimmick comes into the play, where it is fed to our brains
Yeah.
that this is better, hence pay us 10x more money.
So coming to the point, Virat Kohli has black water.
Yeah,
और
so
black
he's-
water का क्या इतना फैट बना हुआ है?
So again, it falls down to that same thing that black water has got extra minerals, extra antioxidants that is going to get you somewhere, or that is going to get your system more better,
Okay.
right?
Sugar, jaggery और honey.
Whatever I feel like having at that point.
Table salt और Himalayan salt.
अरे ये तो सच में क्विक फायर है. Whatever I feel like at that point.
बाउंसर पढ़ेंगे अब.
Let's see.
मैदा और आटा.
बाउंसर दे रहा है कि नो बॉल दे रहा है?
बाउंसर है ये.
नहीं.
अपना इतना पेस है.
Because आंसर सेम है.
हाँ, आंसर सेम है. ठीक है.
Whatever I feel like.
घी और बटर.
Whatever I feel like.
Why did you say these things? Like, is there no health attachment to any of these things? Does not one component like table salt or Himalayan salt weigh better in terms of health benefit?
That's the problem that happens. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है कि it's a very good question though. all of them, as a matter of fact, jitne bhi you have asked, they all have this baseline thing where people think that the other option, जैसे Himalayan salt या फिर चलो jaggery and say sugar, मैं jaggery is better than
Yeah.
raw sugar.
Right.
Right? See, the thing is this, अगर आप सबका न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्ट अगर देखोगे कि कैलोरी वाइज क्या है, दोनों इक्वल कैलोरीज क्या है. सो पर 100 grams they give the similar amount of calories
Okay.
that you would get, which would be somewhere around 400 calories.
Okay.
Okay, so per 100 grams they are going to give you similar. Now when it comes to the other factors, जैसे जैगरी में शायद ट्रेसेस ऑफ आयरन थोड़ा ज़्यादा मिल जाएगा आपको, ठीक है. अभी उस ट्रेस ऑफ आयरन को अगर आप अपना RDA रिकमेंडेड डाइटरी अलाउंस,
Okay.
ठीक है, एक बंदे का अगर आप वो कंप्लीट करने जाओगे तो आपको 1 किलो करीब जैगरी खाना होगा. राइट? सो इज दैट इवन लॉजिकल?
उससे वेट कितना बढ़ जाएगा
So
फिर?
imagine that, how
Yeah.
more than the weight,
Right.
what kind of inflammation is going to cause you? So much other factors that come. Weight is the last thing you need to worry about because it will have immediate effects in your body for having 1 kilo of jaggery.
Right.
वो physically possible नहीं है. कोई ऐसे तो भाई I can't imagine. आप सोच सकते हो कि आप 1 किलो जैगरी ऐसे ले लोगे, गुड़ ले लो रहे हो,
हाँ.
राइट? पॉसिबल नहीं है.
हाँ. फिर वो लास्ट 1 किलो गुड़ होगा अपनी
वो
जिंदगी
लास्ट
का.
वो फाइनल.
उसके बाद फिर उठेगा नहीं.
सो अभी
उसके
यहाँ
बाद you won't lift weight. People will lift you.
God knows. Maybe that is what is going to happen. But यहाँ पे बात आता है
हाँ.
कि यहाँ पे if the only reason I said whatever I feel like, it is because it will determine only by the taste of it. Because all of them has an individual taste to them. Nutritional fact में they are not different from each other.
Okay.
But taste wise, yes. And taste is an important factor as to what you feel like having at that point of time.
Okay.
So अगर मेरे को जैसे अगर in Bengali we have these sweet called pati shapta. So it's a rice
Jaggery and
so it's basically a rice covering with certain fillings inside.
तो पाती चाप तो राइस की रोटी होती है ना?
राइस की रोटी होता है,
हाँ,
करेक्ट.
हाँ.
एंड उसके अंदर फिलिंग रहता है. अब वो फिलिंग जो रहता है वो अगर आप शुगर से करोगे तो वो मजा ही नहीं आएगा, वो टेस्ट फैक्टर नहीं आएगा. जैसे नॉलेन गुड़ which is basically a type of jaggery.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, right, a type of jaggery.
Yeah.
Right? तो उसका कुछ मीठे होते हैं, वो अगर उस तरीके से नहीं बनाओगे तो उसका मजा ही नहीं आएगा. सो अगर आप कोई चीज को उस तरीके से अगर आप दे रहे हो तो इट शुड बी बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट यू फील लाइक. अगर उसमें न्यूट्रिशनल फैक्ट का कोई ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है नहीं, देन व्हाई आर यू focusing on the health aspect or differentiating the choice based on health aspect or nutritional aspect? The only difference that really is there, which you feel as you even have it, is the taste.
So taste defines your choice.
Correct. In these contexts.
In these contexts.
Definitely.
Another last quick fire, I left it because
Okay.
मुझे लगा आपने इतने consistent answers दिए हैं
इसका
तो
भी
मैं
शायद वही
पूछूं.
होगा.
उसका भी वही होगा. Protein or carbs?
Protein.
Any day.
Any day.
So Twinkle Khanna says that carbs feed your mind because you have to think. If you are, say, a writer or an analyst, or you're on your laptop for like say 9 to 10 hours, you need those carbs to function your mind. But protein is going to help your body in terms of your like your weight loss or your your workout regimen will become better if you have protein. So for example, somebody sitting for 9 hours on a laptop and he's consuming carbs for his mind to function better, वो कहाँ जाएगा? उसका तो वेट बढ़ता ही है.
कैसे बढ़ता रहेगा?
क्योंकि वो तो मूवमेंट, बॉडी मूवमेंट है नहीं
Correct.
उसकी. वो बैठा है 9 घंटा.
Correct.
इमोबिल कंप्लीटली.
करेक्ट. नहीं, इमोबाइल नहीं है. इमोबाइल
हाँ.
एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड हो गया. द
Okay.
पर्सन इज वेरी मोबाइल, इज जस्ट सेडेंटरी.
sedentary. Right.
He is just in the state कि उसका जो काम है उसको it doesn't require them to move much.
Right.
But having said that, why would I choose protein over carbs? See, like I said, our body is extremely dynamic and super smart. Okay, it understands that it needs energy to perform. Carbs is the most easily source of glucose or energy that we have. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो प्रोटीन को ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकता. इफ यू ओवर अ प्रोलॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम गिव योर बॉडी नॉट कार्ब्स एंड प्रोटीन, it will figure out a way how to convert protein into glucose so that it can function itself. Unfortunately, that is not the optimized way of doing it, because you want protein to be maximum utilized for your body repairs. Remember, I told you that we are made head to toe from protein. You need protein for the repair.
So this repair angle and the protein angle, does it apply to all age groups?
Everybody.
So even if a 70-year-old man is shifting to protein,
This is a beautiful question. First things first, our body slows down as we age.
yeah,
We aware of this, correct?
Yeah.
Same page.
yeah,
So the only thing, the most anabolic, or let me put it this way, anti-aging nutrient that we have or that our body can utilize is protein. So for an aged person who is aging at a faster rate, they want to slow that down because they need their body to repair and quickly build
and go back
also.
to the 50s.
If they provide the right circumstances, they can even do that. You never know. A 70-year-old man can feel the best they have ever felt, even better than their 20s.
So that's where we can say age is just a number.
Age is absolutely just a number.
Yeah, it
Because
is.
what your biological age is, or basically the number of years that you are here in this earth, and what your actual human, like what your body's age is, doesn't necessarily have to be the same. So I can vouch for it because me being a 36-year-old person, I have never felt this the way I feel right now, even in my 20s. So that I can vouch for. And for people that I know in my field, in the industry that I work in, there are so many 40-year-old, 45-year-old who are doing this, and they have really changed their life from what they have ever been in their 20s and even in their teens. They're living their best life in their 40s, 50s, 60s than what they have not, like, couldn't do even in their 20s or in their 30s as well. Because, like I keep saying, and this is such an important part that we need to understand, that our body, or we as humans, we are an extremely dynamic race, or our body is extremely dynamic. Whatever you put it through, it is going to adjust itself so that it can do that better. So if you're in a resting state, you will learn how to keep resting better. If you're in a moving state, you will just simply learn how to keep moving better.
There can be a time when climbing stairs could also be tough.
It was for me.
Huh?
It
Is it
was
for you?
me. Yes. It was for me.
How long back was it?
So I'm 36. So say roughly around the 21, 22.
Climbing stairs was difficult.
Yes, it was. That's exactly the point where I realized that I need to do something about this. Because again, most of my life I have been into this active zone and I love being active. But then obviously because of my lifestyle choices, college, whatever, the scenes that happens at that point of time, dadu, sutta, khana, pina, whatever it is. Basically of course, kiya hai. But then that is where, because I've done them, I've lived that life to the fullest and reaped the consequences of that life along with the benefits that came with it. Benefits were very temporary, the consequences were more permanent.
Yeah.
But because I lived that life and I transitioned to this is one case scenario where I can vouch and tell every viewer that is watching, including anybody that is here in this room as well, that in this case, the grass is actually greener on the other side. I am here on the other side. I'm just telling you how to walk over.
So protein is key.
Protein is key.
Any day.
Any day. Again, like I keep saying, certain rare genetic disorders, jahan pe you do not have a fully able kidney, you do not have a fully functional liver, right? Which are your body's filters, right? Because when you have protein, it converts, its byproduct hota ammonia, right? And ammonia is not something you want over a certain limit in your body because that can be toxic. Now, if your body is unable to break that ammonia and filter it out via urea and then it filters out, right? Then that's a problem. But that's a very rare disorder. It cannot be a norm, is what I'm trying to say. For most people that is sitting here or viewers that are watching, this is it, right?
Stick to protein. Lose
Stick
weight.
to. And statistically, aap dekh lo, we Indians are heavily protein deficient.
Yeah. Because we live on parathe, we live on puri, we live on.
But यही बात है, वो
rice.
खराब नहीं है.
वो लिमिट में होना
We
चाहिए.
live on it is
वो
the
लिमिट में होना
problem.
चाहिए. हर
We
चीज-
live on it is the
वही
problem.
again going to the cliched term, anything in excess is bad. Sometimes excessive protein can be good and limiting carbs can be a better option.
Agreed. और प्रोटीन का एक, as far as people who are trying to maintain their weight, like I said पहला, the thermic effect of food, TEF,
Yeah.
right? It is simply going to, if you have more protein or include more protein in your food, it is simply going to first increase your thermic effect. So you're going to just simply burn more calories by eating, by just doing this transfer of choice. B, it's going to keep you more satiated. So you're not going to have those crazy cravings that you have. So it's going to keep you more satiated over a period of time, and it will help you get stronger in the long run.
Okay.
So that's how it is so much important. Mind it. Having said that, ऐसा नहीं है कि carbs and fat are not something you should consider, you should not consider. But what I'm trying to tell here is that there should be a balance in the overall parameter of everything that you're doing. Think of your plate as something like this. So 30 to 40% of it should be coming from your carbs. Around 20 to 30% should be coming from protein. And the rest you divide it among your fiber and fat.
Okay. Now coming to from food, let's jump to superfoods. क्या है साइंस सुपरफूड्स का? इतना क्यों सुन रहे हैं हम लोग इसके बारे में? Why are we
Because सुना रहे हैं.
all social media बोलो, TV बोलो, everything where we go, there are superfood overdose that we get to hear. I don't consume superfoods like that, but I wanted to ask you, what is it?
But there's a beautiful thing. I think you partially answered yourself, because you said you get to hear, and you use the term called social media and
Television,
TV
yeah.
and newspapers and
Yeah.
everywhere, right? So you understand that somebody is feeding you these ideas,
Right.
right? अभी जिसे से सुपर फूड बोला जा रहा है, रागी, बाजरा, ये सबको तो सुपर फूड
हाँ.
बोला जा रहा है ना. एक टाइम में वेयर वेर दे वर हियर स्टिल. तो तब वो क्या सुपर फूड नहीं थे? आज अचानक से वो सुपर फूड बन गए. So these are, again, if you go back, all these things are nothing but forms of carbs, but they are just more complex form of carbs.
They have a USP that you can buy.
They, of course, you can buy them, but at the same time, these ragi and bajra, अगर आप old पुराने time में जाओगे, they were poor people food.
Okay.
They were literally were poor people food, because those are something that were kind of readily available and were not that expensive. Because, and the ones that were getting refined, like maida and all that, they were rich people food. What happened in the long process was that this rich people food, they overconsumed it. Why? Because they had more money.
Right. Okay.
Right? And they were moving less. They were making the poor people do all the work. So they started getting fat. And now they are seeing that ये लोग तो ये कारण से ये लोग पतले होंगे, इसको अपने में लाते हैं.
तो जो वो खा रहा है उसको मैं बेचूंगा भी और खाऊंगा भी. Capitalism.
So that is where these things came into play.
Yeah.
Of superfood. ऐसे देखोगे, there is nothing fascinated about them. They're just another source of carbohydrate या some other source of fat वगैरह. वो आपके regular food में भी है. If you can find a balance in your regular fooding habits, there's nothing like it. A lot of people are giving so much importance on like कि brown rice खाना चाहिए, कि white rice खाना चाहिए, ये वो. Did you know that brown rice, because the primary difference between brown rice and white rice is that brown rice has the germ, right? Uska outer shell is still there. Everything is there.
Yeah.
Also means that the possibility of them having some traces of arsenic, which was sprayed,
Yeah.
is higher.
Ah.
Nobody thinks it that way.
And if you talk
Because
about,
it's not marketed
Yeah.
that way.
Yeah, and arsenic is not at all good for the body.
Of course, that is why it's arsenic.
So when you go towards, say, just drifting a bit, when you talk about arsenic, when you go to rural Bengal,
Right.
people have black teeth. It's not because they consume tobacco or they have anything there, because there's arsenic in the water.
Now that is another subjective thing because the water is not clean.
The water is not clean.
That is a subjective thing.
Bengal
But
has a big problem with arsenic
that
water.
is a subjective thing हो गया कि उन लोगों का पानी अगर पानी में problem है, that is something that the municipality need to take care of it. But here we are talking about, say, the larger picture of white rice versus brown rice. कुछ अलग कुछ फर्क नहीं है. Primarily, brown rice will take a little bit more time to digest. White rice is going to take a less time to digest. For me, if I am going to distribute my food, I am going to already have food that are easily digestible rather than which finds more time to digest. Until and unless somebody has got a work schedule which does not allow them to eat in a regular interval. So I am going to put food for that person which are going to take more time to digest, because in that way the person will have less cravings. The person will stay more satiated. तो वो जो लंबा गैप आने वाला है दो खाने के बीच में, उसको ज्यादा यार cravings कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प होगा. Simply by the choice of food. There makes sense. But if somebody is just choosing white rice over brown rice because brown rice is better for some random reason, then it's not.
So is it very normal for an outsider, like maybe a layman, okay, to get caught into a trap of having something that is easily digestible and easily available?
I would put it this way, that it is very easily, it's very normal, as a matter of fact, for a person to see a label or see a news of their favorite film star or somebody that they really look up to and just go by whatever it has been thrown at them.
Yeah.
But the best way to counter this is simply to take whatever your favorite advertisement is telling and whatever you usually have, which is not that advertised. Why? Because it is anyway consumed in a mass, right? तो उसको ज़्यादा advertisement का दरकार नहीं पड़ता है, right? Because it is already in the mass.
हाँ, जैसे कि मूंग की दाल की तो ऐड हम देते नहीं है.
कहाँ देता है? Correct. लेकिन you will see so much of quinoa, ये वो, तो there is the ad because they are trying to literally penetrate here.
Right.
So when you see that and you are like, you have this question, ask yourself, is it actually better?
Does
Genuinely.
it fulfill?
Does it, वो जो बोल रहा है, is it actually better than the one that I generally consume? Question जब वो आता है ना, just take that pack, don't look at the front side because that's the facade. A facade of any packing is for the company to say whatever they want. उसमें कोई limitation नहीं है by law. But when you turn around and you see the nutritional fact, they are binded by law to give the exact figures. So turn around and just compare आपका जो usual choice है versus this. You will be amazed to see that how many times there is hardly any difference. And you're like, क्यों भाई? Then why are they saying that? Because that's what they are getting paid to do. To enter your brain and tell you that this, for which you're paying 2x price, is better than this.